crossing Douglas Lake here. January 18th, 2024. We're just doing a little, about a 10-minute drive over here. Maybe 10, 15, 20-minute drive anyway. Hope everybody's having a great and awesome day. I'll just bring us a little drive through to you. This is a little short video anyway. They didn't get much snow over in this area around the lake. Not like we did over in Kodak, 8 to 11 inches over there. Not 11 inches, 8 to 9 inches anyway. You know, a lot of camping and boating areas over here in Dandridge, around Douglas Lake here. And you're really close to the Smoky Mountains, about 20, 30 minutes away from it, depending on which direction you are around the lake here. But yeah, you can come down here and rent houseboats, pontoons, campers, cabins, camping equipment like tents. You can rent that kind of stuff too. They got all kinds of good stuff. They got a lot of good eating places over around the lake too. A lot of mom and pop seafood restaurants, a lot of bars and grills. So there's a lot to do over around Douglas Lake here in Dandridge here. A lot of people don't know much about this area right here. So I want to try to bring you more videos of this area as winter and spring goes along here. There's a pontoon boat there for sale. Yeah, there's a lot of pontoon boats for sale around this area. Yeah, they didn't get no snow like we did. They got a little bit on the ground here. I mean, they probably got a couple inches at the most that's melting away with the sun's help. We'll be turned down here on Swanivana or something like that. Kind of a weird name. Up the hay fields over here, hay rolled up, feeding the animals. About the Shell gas station, looks like. Circle K or something here. Kenny's Market, but it's still a Shell gas station. Nice old barn there. Like these back roads though. About the area since we moved down here a couple of years ago. Hope you guys enjoyed our snow roads, our snow covered back roads and stuff too, and our other drive we did on Monday. I know it's a longer video, but it's worth watching that one there if you love snow anyway, or in the Smoky Mountains. This way because you're close to the lake right here. Baptist church back there. Yeah, that's probably be about a 12-minute drive, probably. HVAC services. Swinney'svania Road. It's kind of weird. Weird name. Rocks on the side of the road there. Big boulders. The whole yard's nothing but rocks. Guess something on the grass there. Just walk around rocks. I don't know how well I'd like that. A lot of old farms out this way. Another church here, Baptist Church, Mount Carmel. There's another church. And there's Zion, Bellman Zion Church. Two churches back to back. Little country graveyards there. Well, we got more rain and snow coming in tonight and tomorrow, I guess, and then another big cold front coming in for the weekend. And then finally next week it's going to start warming back up in the upper 50s and close to 60s, I guess, for next weekend. Honestly, I'll be ready for it. I don't like these real frigid cold. It's 21 degrees right now. It feels like 9. Tranquility Trail right now. About 4 minutes left here. Look like there's some building sites along the road right here. Paradise Landing on Douglas Lake. Yeah, they definitely didn't get the snow over here like we did they? Well, not too bad. This one here might be a little worse. I'll go around it. There's a lot of sinkholes in this road. Make you sick when you're driving around here. So you better get over or I'll hit you. Trails in this road here. That's what makes it Tennessee that way. Great Smoky Mountains. Appreciate you guys if you share the video. The shares really help out. Share it to people you know and stuff, or on your social media. If y'all can share them on Facebook, that would help us out a lot. It's a full-time living job is our YouTube channel. It just takes a little bit to get enough subscribers, enough watch time and stuff like that to do that. Just trying to work on my retirement here, and that way I can bring you a lot better videos as we go too. Concentrate on making better videos. Right now I'm just doing it as I'm working and don't have much time to edit videos. Pretty back here. This drive is back here. Need to clean my windows, but there we go. This one's at the water line. 2 minutes left on this video here, guys. But I want to thank you guys for watching, sharing the videos. Give us a like button, leave us a comment, and help push our videos to the top there. But yes, until the next video, God bless you guys, and thanks for watching again. And we love you all. Fawn Lane. It's a nice cabin. Some other cabins back here. There's a lot of cabins here around the lake here. Very bumpy, sorry about that. All right, guys, until the next time, God bless you, and thanks for watching.